A little bird from the Himalaya high flew beneath the open sky, over peaks of shining snow, through chilly winds that softly blow. Far away from icy air, he found a jungle green and fair, with leafy trees and rivers wide, a warmer place where life could hide. He built a nest on a sturdy tree, as safe and strong as it could be. No more wandering far alone. In this bright forest he found a home. Soon he met a gentle mate, as kind as dawn and just as great. Together side by side they'd sing, welcoming every new morning. From mountains tall to forests steep, their love was strong, their joy complete. And in their nest beneath the sun, their happy life had just begun.